Hi guys, Rhonda Winstead with you. Okay, I just want to do a quick little flip through of my Christmas journal. I've been keeping this since 2016. And I am already alligator mouth, and I'm this far through the book, just over half. So I am going to retire this one, and I'm going to make myself a new journal that is easier to write in, easier to keep track of my Christmas memories and put pictures and that kind of thing in. So I just want to do a quick show and tell before I say tie this up and put this on my shelf. Okay. I started this in 2016. This was my first Christmas journal that I had made, and I had found a small hardback book, and then I gutted it and filled it with wonderful goodies, and I have just enjoyed. I am a combination of fun and religious and Santa and Jesus. I love them both. And so I have added the things that were interesting and spoke to me. This is a fun little pocket that you can put in. For a period of time, I was doing, zines, duh. Oh, golly. So just filling things up with just fun and fabulous memories. And these were my ornaments this year for the grandkids, and they seem to enjoy them. So I can show that now. I was going to do a video showing you guys this, but I have one or two grandkids that sometimes look, and so I couldn't do that ahead of time. So I have just included just some fun things. And then this year we did a cookie bake, decorate, and I had done a video on this, how to create the Christmas topper that reminds me of when I grew up, which I loved. And then this is for some Christmas, to give away. And that is it as far as the writing goes. I try to keep it small, but you can see all the delicious, I still have wonderful images and, just sweetness. And another one of these fabulous pockets. So I have a lot of fun that I could certainly continue doing, but the reality is, love that. As I go through this, I love this journal. I love this Christmas book. Wow. Sometimes, it just clicks on your first go round, and you just, like I said, this was my very first, and I absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. And there's the back. So I am going to just tie this together, and then this will just be for looking at, just for having fun, some fun memories, and maybe for getting some ideas, borrowing from what I had done earlier, or anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys and tell you for this next year, I like doing a small Christmas journal just because if it's smaller, I feel like I can do it. You know, it's like, oh, this isn't so big and expansive, and you know, there's not that whole great big empty page. And so I think I'm going to do it in a small style, but I'm going to do my next one. I know this obviously isn't my next one for Christmas, but, oh, and this is me when I was 5 years old. That's my kindergarten picture. And I remember clearly, even, you know, I'm going to turn 66 this year. And I remember it was the first time I'd had my photograph taken, and I was trying to smile what I felt was appropriate. And it looks like I'm going to cry. And this was one of my mother's favorite pictures of me. Little Rhonda looking like she's going to cry. And so I think because my mother has passed and I loved her so much, and that it's more precious to me, you know, as we get older. But I digress. I want to do the Midori style for this Christmas journal because I don't want to end up with an alligator mouth that I have amazing wonderfulness in the back of it, and I don't really feel like I can, you know, utilize it. It gets really awkward, especially for a left-handed writer. I am left-handed. For those of you that are lefties, you will appreciate my dilemma, whatever. Pronounce it how you will. Because I write like this. What people have said, you write upside down. And maybe I do, I don't know. But I have learned from a young age, or whatever, when I was starting to do it, this is how I write, you know. Well, when you put this in a book that's fat with all kinds of stuff in it, it's not practical. It's not, I love this and I will treasure this, but this is not practical. This is practical. And I'll tell you why. Because I can take out the insides and I can write to my heart's content, and then I can slip it back in. And even more so, I was just doing just to get it done. I didn't even decorate. I just put a pretty scrapbooking paper on it. Look at that. So you can, you know, I mean, I can work with this. And this is one where I took a little more time and effort to decorate it. But I also separated the pages, because I wanted to be able to write. Sometimes journalers want to journal. Oh my goodness. Go figure, right? And so what I did, and I believe I have a video somewhere on this, but I don't remember. I put papers together. I glued papers together, just scraps, and then I added my picture and I stitched, and that became my cover. I don't know that I'm going to do it for this year for my Christmas journal, but it's definitely going to be a Midori style, but it's obviously going to be Christmas loveliness, yummy wonderfulness. anyway, let me know if that's something that you would like me to video. If you would like to learn how to do this simple little Midori style, these are super fun and easy peasy. Let me know. Yeah, so just Happy New Year, everybody. Oh my goodness, can you believe we're in 2021? Wow, yeah. So I want to wish all of you a healthy and peaceful 2021. I wish you love of family and friends, and I hope that you will feel that you will find joy. And, here's my little parting shot. This is something that I'm trying to do this year, is to make sure that I write down, and I'm doing that with my bullet journal, and that's another video series that I'm working on. You can take a look there, but just be grateful. Let's be grateful. Let's be more grateful all through the year, not just at Christmas time, not just at Thanksgiving, but let's show love to others. Let's reach out and lend a hand up and help each other feel good about ourselves. And I have found that when I give to other people, when I strive to make others happy, I feel better. It's amazing how the Lord blesses us that way. If we strive to do good, it comes back. And that's pretty cool. So anyway, you guys, I love you. I look forward to 2021. I hope to be a little more consistent. I'm working on that. This is a journey. So anyway, have a fabulous day. Until next video. Bye now.